Okay, what did you say?
What did you just say?
A CBT word.
What is it? What word is it? Say it.
Say it.
Amira, tell me what she said. What's the word? You're not gonna be in trouble. I just want to know.
It's
What is it?
it's bench.
A bench?
No. It's like
Who said that?
What is the word, Amira? Tell me, cause I want to know.
No, it's not.
The Ninja Turtle said that?
No.
What the Ninja Turtle said?
You said the H word to me.
What is
the
the
H
word?
word?
A bench. She said, the H word to me.
Okay, what is the H word? Say it.
Fat, what is the word you said? I want to know.
A bench.
Who told you that word?
No. Wait, let me talk.
Okay.
Dora? No.
Dora said that?
No, next to Tolo.
No, stop. I'm not joking. What's the word? Tell me.
Next to Tolo.
Ninja Turtles
told
don't
you to
say that.
What is the word?
I'm going to call the Ninja Turtles.
What's the word?
And you're going to go to lunch.
Did you hear Virginia?
No, I want to hear what she said. Let me see. Who said it? Say it.
The word is the B word.
Fat, what's the word?
What's the B word?
I want to know.
A bench.
No, I...
Said that
A what?
word to me. A bench. I can't curse. I don't curse.